Hi guys, how are you? I hope everybody is fine. And today I am going to show you a easy freelancing job sites, and I will introduce to this site. Uh, and this site is only for beginners because if you are a beginner and you want to earn money by freelancing job, and this site is for you. I am always trying to upload video for beginners because beginners does not have any experience to earn money from online. So let's go to start. Go to your web browser and write on the address bar jobboy.com. I already put on the description this link. And Jobboy is a micro freelancing site. Here you will get a very easy and small job and a small task to earn money, and a very easy task. You see here you will get categories: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Google. Download, install, write a comment, write an article, sign up, vote, rate, search and click, bookmarks, forums. And this site is very trusted site for beginners. And if you work here regularly, you will earn a amount of money, a lot of money. A lot of means minimum $200 you can earn if you work regularly. So to sign up, click on the sign up button here, sign up now. Click on this and you will get a sign up form. Here you have to fill up the form following information: your email, full name, email, password, repeat password, and your country. So first you have to fill up your full name. I'm writing I write my full name, James Chappell, and email. I copy my email address. I put and create a password and repeat the password again, and select your country. I'm selecting United States, and here you have to click on to right sign, because it means you are agree with their terms and conditions. If you want to receive their newsletter, you can also tick here, but I don't need, so I uncheck this one. After filling the information box, you will click on sign up button. I'm clicking sign up. You see my account is created. Here your account was created, and email was sent to your email addresses with a confirmation link. So I have to check my email, because they sent a confirmation link in my email. I have to click to activate my account. Here is my activation link, so I have to click on this and my account will be activated. You see, my account is now activated. Now I can log in. So I am logging. Here is, you have to put email address and password. After putting those information, click on login button to log in. Now I logged. You see Here is your all job you are seeing. Here is your dashboard. Example, go to account setting and fill up your address, city, zip code, state, and user menu. Job in progress. How many jobs you already complete but waiting for clients feedback and review. Here all jobs is job in progress. Available jobs means how many jobs available for you. You are seeing this is your available jobs, and then jobs are completed. It means whose jobs are completed by you. And my campaign means if you want to work as a client, here in your campaign deposit, you want to deposit on Jobber, you can use this button and withdraw to withdraw your balance. So find a job means you, if you want to find a job to do, here is find job. So here is available jobs for you. Too many jobs you are getting here. So if you want every day, if you complete 10 tasks, I mean 10 job you complete, you can earn $5 minimum. So if you want work 30 days, minimum $150 you can earn. You see job, create a new Vimeo account. If you create a Vimeo account following their instruction, you will get $0.65. I mean 65 cent, 0.65 cent. Create research account in Instagram, and in this job you will get 65 cents. And easy and fast earn, here you will get 50 cents. I am showing you. If you work here only 10 job you will complete. Suppose every job pays you 50 cents. Minimum you will earn $5 every day if you work 1 hour. 1 hour, yes, 1 hour if you work, you will earn $5. And 30 days you will get $150 minimum you will earn. So how you can complete job? So click on create new Vimeo account, and after clicking on the any task, you will get information how to complete this job. Here job description. Before doing a job, please read attentively job description. Here job description. Open an email account, use the password. This means you have to create a new email account using this password, and join an Vimeo account using Vimeo, and you have to create a Vimeo account also using that email and same password, and go to email and verify the Vimeo account, and go to developer.vimeo.com/apps and create a apps with any names, but you can't use FG or D. And then here you get your description. After reading, you start to work. And how to prove it? You have done the job, but you have to prove it you have done. So here client says password is a password, this one you have to submit this password, the app name you created before, and the token access, this one, So when you done the job, you will get every information which one you have to submit. So after complete the job, please submit here, submit proof. Here you will get a box and write down all proof which one client wants, and click on submit proof. And after one day, or I know within 24 hours, client will uh, review your job and pay to you. Okay, maybe I hope you understood the full process of Jobber, how to work in Jobber. If any questions about Jobber, please comment under the video and subscribe my channel to get more videos like that. Thank you.